Hello guys, welcome to PS Motors, and today we are again standing in front of Tata Motors, that is Dhulichand Motors, to experience the first look of the all new awaited Tata Safari. Here it is. So on the left side you are seeing the 6-seater version, and on the right side you are seeing the 7-seater version. We will show you the difference in the interior in a bit, but first let's talk about this one. So guys, this is the car key. It contains lock, unlock, boot release and light button. Let's unlock the car. So guys, this is the front profile of the car. From the front, it's Tata Harrier. But this is the tri-arrow design for the radiator grille, which is ornamented with chrome, as it's evident. And this is the beautiful Tata emblem, and this fully changes the game, you guys. This is the space for air intakes for the radiator, and this one also, this is the lower damper, and this is given in silver color, which contrasts very good, very well. And these are the DRLs, which turns up as the indicators also. And down here we get the famous setup for the headlamps, which is really stunning. This is the projector headlamps with combination of halogen bulbs, including the turn indicator and what do you call that, turning lights. This beautiful chrome ornament is running from this part up till the other part of the car, which enhances the look and gives it a more appealing and elegant look. And also, if you see very carefully, there are chrome inserts in the headlamps too. That was all about the front profile, you guys. Now let's talk about the side profile of this beautiful vehicle. So guys, this is the side profile of this car. Pretty much it is same compared to Harrier, and these huge wheels gives that road presence which the Tata customer wants, and these are the wheel arches which are in plastic finish, but really they are gorgeous. And one interesting thing of this car is this door panel is actually extended up till bottom. So if you are driving in a dirty road, you might get your pants dirty, but for this vehicle you have nothing to worry, because this part is always covered with your door. So this one very good feature from Tata. It gets a request sensor in both the front doors, and of course the window linings are done in chrome. The grab handles are also in chrome. These are the electrically operated ORVMs, and you see the signature step-up roof for the iconic name Safari, and these are the roof rails, which looks stunning. Now come this side, you get a Safari branding up here, which is pretty neat. And these are the third row windows, which are more or less very good. And one more thing guys, this car gets a hell lot of character lines, which gives that rugged look, and that a Superman type of car is hovering on the roads of India. So now that was all about the side profile. Let's go and have a look at the rear profile. So guys, this is the rear profile of this car. It gets a rear defogger including a wiper, and this is the high mount stop lamp. This full garnish for the boot is given in piano black element, which enhances the look. This one, and this is the beautiful Tata emblem, and it gets a Safari name across the boot. It gets a camera for the parking purpose, and these are the sensors, parking sensors I mean, and this lower part of the bumper is given in silver finish, and these are nothing, these are fake exhaust vents, which enhances the look but nothing else. Here it gets the rear fog lamps including a reflector. Same happens on the other side, so nothing much to talk about here. And in my one more thing guys, in my opinion these lights are carried on, are taken from the Harrier, and it looks pretty good. As you can see, these are the full LED lights which enhances the look, and in my opinion this car is really appealing. And now let's open the boot and have a look inside. So guys, this is the boot. This is not a power tailgate you guys, but in my opinion this car is fully equipped, but this tailgate should have been a power tailgate. But anyways, so this is the boot space on offer with the third row seats up. Now let's flip those. Now the third row seats are down, and it's evident that it sits pretty much flat, and now the luggage space of course increases, and down here you get the tool kits. These are the jog handle for the vehicle. Let's close this part. Talking about the amenities you guys, you get a roof lamp which is in white color, and these are the boot lamps. You get a subwoofer up there, and this car gets JBL sound system which sounds terrific, and we will show you the sound system and give you a bit of experience in a bit. Moving on, so nothing much to talk about here, and the spare wheel seats at the bottom. So that was all about the boot and the rear profile. Now let's close this boot and hop inside this vehicle and have a glance at its awesome, beautiful interior. One more minus point of this thing is the grab handle is situated in an opposite way, which is in my opinion a bit inconvenient to use, but it's okay, we have to use it. So here we close the boot, let's hop in. So let's get inside of this car, and as I have said, this car gets a request sensor. The keys are with me. With a button, the car gets unlocked. Bye guys, see you in. This is the driver's side door you guys. These materials are very well fitted, but these are hard plastics. This is the ORVM controls. With this button, it actually is adjusted. Now this is the grab handle, this is the pull lever. You get a little illumination up there, which is pretty cool, huh? Do let me know about this one in the comment section. These are the power window controls, and down you get a space to place a liter of bottle, and it actually gets a space to keep your umbrella. Moving down, you get a safety lamp, and these are the speakers from JBL, mind it. So here we go inside the driver's side. So the front driver's side seats are electrically adjusted, and the passenger side is not. So this is the beautiful interior. Now let's turn on the vehicle at first. So that's how the car comes alive. Okay, so now let's reduce the volume. We'll talk about in a bit. So this is the beautiful steering wheel, which is leather wrapped. It gets the media controls on the left side, and on the right side it gets the control for the MID and the cruise control. These are the wiper control guys, and on this side you get the light controls, and as you can see, the instrument cluster is partly digital and partly analog, which fully changes the game and gives an appealing look. This is the infotainment system, which is of course taken from the Tata Harrier, and in my opinion this should have been improved. It gets an Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. More or less it's a good one, good display in fact, and the touch is very responsive. Moving on, these are the controls for the same. These are the knobs, these are the AC vents, and down here we get the controls for the fog lamps of rear and front. These are the hazard lights. These are the sports mode and eco mode modes of the car, and in default this car comes in city mode. These are the fully automated climate control, this part is, and down here you get the aux port, which is illuminated, and the USB port, and a space to keep your mobile phone. And this is the terrain selection option. Let's hear it out.
Wet mode activated.
Okay.
Rough road mode activated.
Okay, and what's that?
Wet mode activated.
That is
City drive mode activated.
exactly, and that is the traction control for this vehicle. And this is the hill descent control. This is the automatic gear shift lever, and that one of the most important thing of this car, it gets a electric parking brake with auto hold functionality. That airplane type, this one, that handbrake which used to come in Tata Harrier is removed, and thanks to Tata Motors for listening our concern. It gets 3 cup holders. Yeah, and this is the armrest, which is more or less deep inside, and it's a cooled one, so you can keep your beverages, and you get 2 USB sockets with a 12-volt power socket. The fit and finish of this car is very good, as I have already said. This part of the dashboard, that is the topmost part, is soft touch material. Down you get wooden texture, which really makes an appealing look. It gets a silvery finish out here, and there we get a glove box which is illuminated, and it's also parted, so you can easily keep your beverages and also the important documents very safely. This is the auto dimming rear view mirror, you guys, and these are the ceiling lights, which are again in LED. These are the sunroof controls. These are the sun visors with vanity mirrors and with LED lights, of course. This is the driver side vanity mirror, but you don't get any kind of mirror out here. And this car gets a panoramic sunroof. Let's explore that. Guys, this is the sunroof controls. Let's open it. This opens the shade, and that opens. This opens the sunroof. There you go. One more thing to note, guys, this sunroof is a smart sunroof, so if you forget to close it and lock the car and go away from the car, it will close on its own. And if you are driving and it suddenly starts raining and you don't have the time to close, don't worry guys, Safari will take care everything and it will close on its own. So now let's close it. Oh, and one more thing, it gets a pinch feature, so if you keep your hand, see, it won't close. But I got a hurt, you know. Anyways, so now let's close it. Front profile, I mean the front interior of this vehicle. Now let's hop in to the rear side of the car. Okay, here I go in. Bye guys, see you in there. I am in the rear seats of Tata Safari, and this car gets a white leather upholstery, and it gets a hell lot of knee room, leg room and headroom. And for this huge panoramic sunroof, no one will feel claustrophobic in this cabin. And few interesting details which Tata has provided, like the boss mode. That is, if you really want to experience the back seat in this car, you need to sit in this space, because you get a lever here. Come here. So we get a lever out here. So if you do like this and push the seat, it goes front, and you get you get a hell lot of space, to sit like a boss, as it's known for. It gets AC vents in the air pillars. These are the tweeter. Down here you get the speaker, and here you can store your mobile phones pretty easily. And also Tata has provided a space to keep your mobile phones here, which is a really smart touch. We get a bottle holder and an umbrella holder. So that was pretty much about it. And one more thing, you guys, armrest with 2 cup holders, which is pretty usable and thoughtful feature. So now let's hop in the rear seats, the third row seats, and have a look. So here we are in the third row seats. Getting in is not a headache. And as compared to the other rivals in this segment, you guys, this is surprisingly is spacious, and 2 full-size adults can easily go for long trips. You get AC controls for the rear passenger. These are the AC controls for the rear passengers, and a pocket to keep your belongings. Here it is. You get the air vents up there to keep you cool, and here are 2 USB sockets to charge your mobile phones, including 2 cup holders in both the sides. And one more thing, it gets a adjustable headrest, which is a hell lot of comfort. And one thing I forgot to say, we get a lamp here in both the sides. With the grab handles, we get a coat hanger. Guys, that was all about this car. Now let's hear the music system as I promised. Let's go. So guys, now my S10 Plus is connected with this infotainment system via Bluetooth. Now let's play an audio. So guys, this was the 7-seater variant. Now let's see what is the difference in the 6-seater variant. Come. Let's unlock this one. Okay guys. So it gets the captain seats with individual armrests. So that is the main difference and the only difference, and nothing else. So guys, that was all about this car. Hope you have liked it, and we want to thank especially Mr. Prabhat Sharma ji, who helps us in Tata Motors in every possible ways. So sir, few words for our viewers and for our channel.
थैंक यू इस चैनल के लिए मैं भी सभी व्यूअर्स से बोलना चाहूँगा कि इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें। और मैं अपने दुनीचंद मोटर से मैं प्रभात आप दोनों का भी शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ।
Thank you sir, means a lot. So viewers, you have heard him. You need to subscribe to our channel and see you in our next video. Peace.